Thank you for watching. Thank you for my 136 viewers. I hope share my live. Share everyone. My mother is hungry at night. She's eating at the midnight. It's midnight here in Philippines. Oh my gosh. It's a bukadong. It's okay. For those who I give moderator, please delete the bad comment. Mom, take a kiss in the hand and on the air. Why you record your... Can you stand and turn around, please? Oh, really? Beautiful face. Thank you. Look, some difference where you smile becoming beautiful. It's fun. Okay. Hello, you. Have a new future. What a new future you mean? What future you mean, Daron? What a new future? Sorry, I really don't understand. That I said that I'm thinking about our future with my son. I don't know what future I will find for future. Overthinking. Thank you for coming, Darren Macaulay. You said last time that you have a new girlfriend, so congratulations to both of you guys, Darren Macaulay and your girlfriend. You're so sweet and kind, mom. Thank you, Jan Raven Amador. Watching from... I'm so kind. Yes, that's cool. Oh, I was just referring your type. Okay. I forgot also my title. How about your new girlfriend, Darren Macaulay? You have a bright future and no girlfriend at the moment. Hmm? You said last time you have a girlfriend already. Me, I don't have. It's all my friends. You said last time Russell and Joy are my boyfriends now. It's not, we're just friends. Nice looking there. Hello, Haris Pojari. Hello, Muhammad Paisal. Mom, meet Mega Love. Meet ML. And what do you mean by that? Hello to my 174 viewers. Hi. How old are you, Mom? How old you guess? You think I am? Between in... No thought was potential, but no, it's cool. You have friends. I have problem with Joey. Cool. No. Okay. Oh, 35, 34. Really? Thank you. But no, it's not. I am 42. 42 by for 100. No teeth. At the age of 100, I don't have teeth anymore. You're 35, mom. No, I'm not 35. I'm 100 years old. Joke. I'm 42. Because I was born on 1982. Look great. The playing field. Hello. Hello, Angel Valencia. Hello, nice. Thank you for coming. Hello, Amatardi. Hello, Master Santos and Gayman, Oscar and Asfa official. Hi. Siya Amador. Guess what, mom? Guess what, mom? Guess my age. I am 42, not 35, not 36. I give you like thank you now, but hello to Devon Sherman Dub. Wait, XXX. I delete your message because I don't like that message.